Hello and welcome to Time's Ticking. For those of you who don't know who we are a watch repair company located in Utah. And today I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step process on how to mail in your Oakley wristwatch to our repair center. The first thing you're going to want to do is visit our Time's Ticking website. Then click on the Mail in Repairs tab. Then click on the repair form link, click on the print button, and print out the repair form. After you've printed out the repair form, fill it out completely and legibly to avoid delays in contacting you. Pack your watch with the watch repair form in a box with good packaging. Then take the package to the post office. You will then receive an email confirming the arrival of your watch in our watch repair center. Later, you'll receive a phone call with our estimate. Your watch will be expertly serviced and shipped back to you the next business day. Hello and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video, make sure to give it a like and check out our similar videos right here. If you want to stay up to date with the new and interesting content that we create, you can subscribe to our channel, which is linked right here. And lastly, if you need any help with your watch, make sure to go to our Time's Ticking website, which is linked right here. See you next time.